Small step back, everybody. Thank you. All right. So, everybody in the back, if I can have anybody who can't see over the shoulders in front, just sort of tippy toe for me. And I will get everybody here.
레몬 맛. 레몬 스카스 블렌딩된 티로 한 거. I like it.
Because I'm going to be Thank you, boss. Okay. Yep. I'm the first. Thank you.
Yes.
I thought to be. That's okay.
아, 꽃등심.
갈비살.
갈비살. 네네. 감사합니다.
이게 또 모스카토 중에서도 약간 도수도 모스카토가 달콤도 하지만 달콤만 하면은 모스카토 맛있지 않거든요. 산도가 딱 적절히 받쳐주다 보니
who's going to be singing the Korean national anthem. Thank you, Ms. Wei Shin. Now I would like to welcome for the Australian national anthem, Miss Olivia Marsh.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are young and free.
Way to open up this evening. 2 national anthems, 1 stage, and a room full of noisy people. But thank you so much. So please join me once again for thanking Ms. Shim and Miss Olivia Marsh. Now it's my great honour to invite to the stage, who is next to me already, His Excellency the Australian Ambassador to the Republic of Korea, Mr. Jeff Robinson, deliver some very short welcome remarks.
Well, good evening. Before I begin, I would like to acknowledge the many businesses, government representatives and cultural and community leaders here this evening, but particularly all of our friends. I warmly congratulate the Australian Chamber of Commerce for hosting today's G'day R.O.K. When people ask me about my job as ambassador, I often describe it as being a matchmaker. As a matchmaker, there is no greater satisfaction than seeing the Australia-Korea relationship flourish at events like this one tonight, for partnerships to be realised.
Everyone, I just want to say thank you once again. I would like to thank all our sponsors tonight. I would like to thank the Australia-Korea Foundation, the Grand Hyatt, everyone here, ANZ, Australian Meat, East Point Partners. Tourism Australia, Darling Downs, Woodside Energy, Cathay, POSCO, Alexi, Holler X, Australia Korea Foundation, and our partners Anza Korea. Please celebrate with me as my last night here, and thank you to my wonderful team, Jacko Svetzler, Eddie Joe, and Arnold Lee, wherever he's hiding, wherever he may be. And to all the wonderful volunteers who made this event happen. We're only a four-man team, so thank you so much everyone. Enjoy the rest of the night and drink up. Thank you.
And the point to you.
Okay, let's do this. To think this is my last time I'm going to be on stage during a lucky draw. But the winner is for...